Hi guys, Bobby D here from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Welcome to my review of $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Now, there's a lot of people out there thinking you can't do it. Well, you can do it. And Jono Armstrong, one of the biggest affiliates in the world, has put together this brand new WSO. It's released on Friday the 23rd. And he shows you how he has gone from zero with a brand new JV Zoo account, a brand new YouTube account, and how he makes over $100 in 24 hours. Now he actually makes $190, and he shows you everything step by step, what you need, how to do it, exactly the tools that you need to accomplish this in a 24-hour period. Now, honestly, this is one of the best WSOs this year. You know that I don't review loads and loads of WSOs. I only review those that I think are worthy of pushing out. And I get obviously hundreds of review copies. This I love, and I wish I thought of it. I didn't, sadly. Jono did. So let's have a quick flick over to the sales page, and then I'll talk about my bonuses. Now the sales page is actually not even finished yet. I've got such an early review copy. It's not finished, but this is what it will look like. Watch how Jono goes from flat broke to $100 in 24 hours using nothing but his internet connection, and then copy everything he did. Why you need to grab it: proven beyond doubt, anyone can achieve this in 24 hours. You don't need a website or a list, no product creation, newbie friendly, takes minutes to set up, do less work than you've ever done. Go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours from now. Yeah, pretty good. I'd go along with all that, apart from it only takes minutes to set up. It's probably going to take about an hour to set up. But once you've done it, you don't need to set it up again. It's super easy. So basically this course goes from Jono having nothing, no YouTube account, a brand new JV Zoo account. He opens both up and shows you how he makes $100, actually $190 in 24 hours. I think this WSO is genius. Honestly, I think it's really, really genius. Now, before I go any further and show you the members area, I want to go over some of my bonuses that I've got for you guys. So I'm giving away quite a lot with this. I'm going to give you my Facebook money hack, how you don't need a list, a website, how to get free traffic on Facebook. This is definitely going to help you with this course. They do cover free traffic methods, but not a lot, and I'm going to show you how you can easily make money with Facebook. I'm going to give you my best selling WSO, my first WSO I ever released, Flippadom, how to get into domaining the easy way. I'll show you how I make hundreds and hundreds of dollars I used to do it every week. I don't do it so much now, but how you can easily make money buying domains for $10 and selling them for $99, $125. I'll give you that for free. That's currently $12.95, so you've already saved your money with my Flippadom. I sold over 1,800 copies of that. I'm going to give you Chatbot Revolution. Everyone knows about chatbots. Everyone's talking about them. Everyone's selling them. I'll give you an overview of what they're about. Very good. I'm going to give you my secret traffic method. Now, this is something I only reveal to people who normally buy my WSOs. This is one of my main methods of getting traffic. You can get thousands and thousands of hits. I mean thousands of hits to your website using this method. I'm going to give you that for free. I'm going to give you Affiliate Cash Monster. Again, this is just going to boost your affiliate sales and show you how to do things. And I'm doing something brand new. I'm going to send you 5,000 human visitors to your website or your blog. You just give me your blog, your website, and I will send 5,000 visitors. It's all tracked, they're all real, something that I do all the time, and the first time I've ever offered this, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to offer you 5,000 human visitors to your site. That is a lot. I can't guarantee you sales, but I'm definitely going to send you 5,000 people there. So you'll get my 5,000 human visitors, Affiliate Cash Monster, my secret traffic method, that alone is worth money, Chatbot Revolution, Flippadom, $12.95 on its own, and my Facebook money hack. What more do you want? They are some good courses. Now, this is the members area. of from 0 to 24 hours, and it's in a number of modules. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 modules to go through. So the first one is an introduction by Jono himself. It's called It All Starts Here.
My name is Jono Armstrong, and I'd like to welcome you to 0 to 100 in 24 hours. Now, this is the exact same strategy that I used when I first got started online.
Won't go into it, but there's a video by Jono. You then go into the case study where he shows you what he's done in 24 hours. You then go in what's called checking the tires, make sure that you're roadworthy to launch your product, what the product is about, how you're going to go about doing it, how to check everything is in place. This is really good. And you'll see there it says grab commission agree here. You don't need it. They'll show you another way of doing it for free, so don't worry. Putting everything together, this is the most important part. How to get everything self-generating, and then you rinse and repeat. The same process every single time. So it's a really full course. Some of these videos are, that's 5 minutes, are really long. 6, 22, an hour, 15, and 20. There's about 2.5 hours of video there. So you're certainly getting your value for money, guys. So that is quite a simple members area. Just follow the videos, copy exactly what Jono does. Honestly, this is so brilliant of how to make $100. It is. I just wish I thought of it, because I would have done it and put it out myself. Really, really good. There is a sales funnel. The upgrade, the first one is $37. That's, you get free traffic training. Upgrade 2 is $197. You get unlimited traffic for 365 days. This is something these guys have been offering recently. Looks very interesting. Done for you funnels, 67, and then 197 lifetime campaigns. Now I'm just thinking about doing something around this $197 campaign, as in another bonus, which maybe I might offer people access to my email list, but I'm not decided yet. So we'll come back to that. So that's it really, guys. It's a really, really full course. You know, click below on Friday the 23rd. You can get access to the course and all my bonuses. I'll just run through those again. You get the Facebook money hack, flip a DOM, my own product, chatbot revolution, my secret traffic method, my own product, affiliate cash member. And this is, like I said, I'm trialing this out, 5,000 human visitors to your website or your blog. Never done it before. I've done a bit of a beta trial with people and they're really happy. I'm going to give it a go. So some really good bonuses there that I'm giving away. Click the link below, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you sign up for this link and get these bonuses. And that's it. What do I give this course? I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. Look at my blog, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. I don't do that often. This is one of the best courses there are if you're a newbie. Hands down, that's it. Simple. Buy it. I'm Bobby D, guys. Give me a shout if you ever need anything. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon.